Hey, keep me where the light is, keep me where the brightest. Two left feet, can you show me where the right is? I've been on the low side, I've been on the high side.
Just please keep it down, okay?
Huh?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh shit, I looked in the viewfinder. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm just gonna be doing a quick and easy summer makeup look. I've literally been doing this summer makeup look like this whole entire summer. I would have to describe my summer makeup look as just being like very dewy with a bunch of warm tones. And just so you guys know, all of the products will be linked down below. So if you're interested or you kind of want to purchase something, then just make sure to check out the link down below in the description box. Besides that, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Ew, why did my voice shake like that? And also while you're at it, please subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started with the video. Hello?
Hey, I missed you.
Oh. Yeah. Oh wait, my mom is calling me. Let me answer and then I'll FaceTime you back. Bueno. Struggle.
I want to watch you do this video. I want you to feel my eyes on you, and I want you to know that I'm judging you.
You're what?
I'm judging you. I said it weird. I said it's judging. I'm judging you.
Hold on. What am I gonna say? Quick, easy, summer look. Summer.
You write down what you're gonna say? I thought you improvised it.
I just write down the key things.
Babe, I'm so good.
Link below.
They love you.
Okay. Oh my god, I'm like recording even me planning my what I'm gonna say part.
Hi.
You know, right now, when I was filming the video, she just pushed my door open. And I literally got it on camera, so I think I'm gonna post it.
I have to see that.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Again, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe down below. And like I mentioned earlier, everything will be linked down below. So make sure to click the link in the description box in case you're interested in a product. Alright, bye guys!